Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this video with you because it is in collaboration with Smile Brilliant. This is an amazing teeth whitening company and kit. They sent this to me and honestly, it is amazing. I think one of everyone's best asset is just their smile, and that doesn't require makeup. It doesn't require anything except what I love is having a really white smile. And for me, being an avid coffee drinker, you know, that's really important to me because I want my teeth to shine. And you know, I went through Invisalign, and so being able to whiten my teeth as like the final finish was so amazing. So the unique thing about this company is that it is vegan. So there's no chemicals, it is all naturally derived. If you are not satisfied, it is 100% money back guarantee, as well as their customer service is A++. Customer service is a big thing for me. Everyone that I dealt with was so amazing and easy to talk to. I've tried other teeth whitening kits and I have extremely sensitive teeth. I've tried Crest White strips, I've tried Colgate stuff, and honestly it's either left me with my teeth really sore and sensitive, or I've seen no results whatsoever. So the fact that I have only been using this for probably a month and I've seen amazing results, and people are seeing amazing results, people have been asking me, is awesome. Now I have an issue with my teeth where when I was a child and my adult teeth came in, I had calcium buildup, and possibly because I ate toothpaste. I don't know. That was a theory. I used to like eat toothpaste when I was a kid. That was a real thing. When my teeth came in, they had these bright white spots, and I've dealt with them my whole life. And when I was getting my Invisalign done, the orthodontist suggested that I whiten my teeth to maybe help bring the colors a little bit closer together, and it has actually done the trick. I don't notice them anymore, and it's amazing. So opening up this kit, how it works is that you'll receive your box and you get two different solutions. So one is the teeth whitening gel and the other is the desensitizing gel. Oh my gosh, having the desensitizing gel is amazing. There was one day where my teeth felt a little bit tingly, let's say, and I put just the desensitizing gel on that day, and it cleared it up. Because my teeth are very sensitive, I ended up opting to do a treatment once every 3 to 4 days just to make sure that I didn't have any discomfort, and I did not whatsoever. You also get in the kit these two pastes, and this is what you use to make the mold. You will then make a mold. I have this mold because I messed up the first time. Thankfully I got 3 or 6 of these, and you will make the mold and then you will mold it to your teeth. You then send it to their facility with a package that they include, and you get your perfect teeth trays, which is amazing. And they are fit exactly to your mouth and your teeth. That way it is like precision whitening. So how you make the mold is you actually combine these two pastes together like Play-Doh until all the white disappears. You then fill the molds that come in the kit, put it in your mouth, slide it in, and you hold it in there for a couple minutes, I believe, and you are good to go. So my experience with the Smile Brilliant whitening kit has been amazing. Basically at night what I would do is I would take my trays, and what it looks like is you have the syringe and you would just gently place some of the gel on the front part of the mold, and then you would pop them on to your top and your bottom, and you would actually wait 45 minutes. So what I would do is sometimes I would actually take a shower. You don't want to get water in your mouth, but I would take a shower or I would watch a show, and basically by the time the show was done, so would be the time to take out the trays. And then after, I kind of clear these out of any remaining gel, and then I add the desensitizing gel, which which also comes in a syringe, and then I would put that on, and then I would sit for about 15-20 minutes and, you know, do like my skincare routine or whatever. And this was actually a really super easy to incorporate into my daily routine because I was able to do this while I was doing other things. It wasn't like I had to sit there with a giant, you know, light in my mouth or something like that, or I just had to like relax. I could literally work, I could do other things, and it kind of was really incorporated into my evening routine. Again, super simple. The fact that these syringes are available and that's all you have to do, it's very mess free. The only thing you don't want to do is you don't want to put too much gel in your teeth molds, because then it gets onto your gums and it can irritate them a little bit. So I would suggest that when you start, just starting out with a little bit more and kind of building up, and then you'll know kind of when you hit your threshold what's a good amount of gel to put in. Honestly, I've been wanting to whiten my teeth for a really long time, and so when Smile Brilliant reached out to me to do this video, I was so excited, and honestly I would not be sharing about a product that I didn't believe in. And I really believe in this because if you're like me and you're looking for something more natural, not filled with chemicals or garbage for your body to ingest, especially because it's in your mouth, that always concerned me about teeth whitening products. That's amazing, as well as it fit into my routine so easily, and it gave me the results that I was looking for. For me, the most important aspect was protecting my teeth and the enamel and not breaking that down or doing further damage because of my already sensitive teeth. And the fact that, you know, this did not, you know, affect that my teeth are strong and I don't have any issues drinking coffee or eating ice cream or anything like that, is a testament to how good this product is. So I actually have a discount code in the description box down below if you would like to get your own kit. Again, I have nothing bad to say about this. It is worth the investment. Your smile is so important. I think it just is everyone's best asset. So I say smile away and try out Smile Brilliant. You can go to smilebrilliant.com if you want more information, or you can ask me in the comment section down below and I can answer anything to the best of my ability. Thank you so much, Smile Brilliant, for partnering with me on this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!